Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix issue this Facebook account is not eligible for setup in Shopify. So first step you need to do is to open Shopify and search here Facebook. So once you search, wait for a few seconds. So let me search again. Okay, so you need to click here, wait for a few seconds, and then you need to click on install. So it will take few seconds to install into your Shopify. And now you can see that it is loading, so you need to wait, click on install. It took few seconds or minutes depend on your internet speed. So okay, now you can see that it is installed, and once it is completed you simply need to click here, click on get started, click on connect account, and now it will open Facebook, and click on confirm account. And once you click on that, your account is connected. But if you are facing an error, it's because your age is not above 18, or it is not allowed in your region to connect Shopify with Facebook. So make sure that your region is allowed and your age is above 18. So this is the process how you can fix this Facebook account is not eligible for setup in Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.